bitch.
I'll pour trash.
I'll put more trash in your fucking mouth.
I bet your pussy smells like shit.
It doesn't. You wish you did. Hold on. You gotta readjust me. You're hurting me.
There you go.
You brought the gloves too.
Yeah.
Gloves for
What are you
what?
doing?
What are you,
What are you doing?
getting out of there?
What are you doing?
What do you need?
I'm trying to put shit in here.
No.
You don't need
No.
that. You don't
No.
need that.
None of that. None of that. You don't need that. No.
Careful. That's got money in it.
Oh, we're taking that. We're taking that. We're taking
What
that.
about my stream?
I don't care about that.
Yeah,
It's not important.
make sure her legs can hold it. Yeah, there you go. You got it. All right, give me the duct tape.
No. This is not okay.
Why are you crying?
This is absolutely okay. They've been crying the whole time. You haven't been here.
Here.
Oh my god.
Hey,
You know what?
where's the clam? This is my husband.
Uh-huh.
That's cute.
Is it cute? Tell me more.
We're together.
Are we?
Oh, I met you.
Did
I
you?
didn't like what I was doing
You're so
earlier.
that much nicer.
That's enough. Open. Open. Open.
Just a little
Why?
bit. Wait, a little snap.
Wait, what happens if I don't?
Well, I
Where's
mean,
the light?
keep talking.
You better get 10 people on this. Fuck that, bro.
No,
No!
I'm just
I
gonna
would
eat
dead
it.
weight my body. No, I'm
Yeah.
gonna get that shit in your nose.
If you don't sit down, I'm gonna put it in your mouth. But if you sit down, I'll eat it. You just have to watch me eat it.
Is that
It's free.
not ABC, bro. Not ABC, bro. Ew, yours are ugly.
Huh?
No one's in the live though.
So what?
Exactly. That's what I'm saying. No one's like joining.
I wonder why.
I'm not poking.
Wait, why am I in the corner? Can I please turn around to not be in the corner? Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh. Oh, okay. Can I take a picture with you?
I'm gonna eat your hair.
It doesn't taste very good. I tried it this
Okay.
morning. Oh, okay.
Put your hands out of your mouth. Put your hands out of your.
My shoes slipped off.
I said get your hands out of your mouth. Where you going? Where you going? Where you going? I got this for you. Look.
Where are you going? Where are you going? What are you doing? I like you. I really like you. Hi. You're very pretty.
You got grills on? Wait, are those your real teeth? Them ones are straight as fuck. Oh, your teeth aren't as good. Ooh, don't eat my
I need you to come fuck with this lady right here, over here.
Oh, that's it. Look at your best friend. Oh, so much cardio. Oh. No, it's not okay. No. Okay, it's okay.
Scared of you.
Is that middle one a real piercing? Oh, what? That's scary.
Open. I want to do one.
I'll do it.
You have really pretty eyes. Am I not scary? Ah, Beetlejuice. Say it 3 times. Say it 3 times and something bad will happen.
He scared you 3 times already last year. And
Yeah,
this year.
yeah.
You should just ask him for a
Do you want a picture? No? Yeah.
Does his mouth not get dry because he has his mouth open?
Oh.
Was it good?
No.
Oh, you dropped something. Man.
Yeah, just a little bit.
Oh no.
You want some of that?
Oh no.
Saved it for you.
She actually does. She's that kind of bitch.
I can tell.
Do you want a big? Are we allowed to do pictures?
Yeah.
Yeah, can I take a photo of you? Alright, don't spill on my shirt, okay?
Don't tell me what to do. Okay. I'm in charge.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
A man in charge. I like it.
Don't feed the Delulu.
Ooh. Ooh. Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going?
Oh, you missed another. Here you go. You gotta clean up after yourself.
Got this little nipple right here.
Chew it! Chew!
Oh, it's so good.
Grab her. Get her.
Are you tickling? What are you doing? What? It's okay. Why are you screaming like that?
Stop!
It's the person who ate your hair. It's gonna be
Trash
okay.
can.
He won't eat your hair
Yes, I
again.
will.
That's why you're bald.
Yeah, that's exactly why. That's exactly why.
It's okay.
Stop! Go after the little kids.
I can't. You're the little kid.
I'm not a little kid. I'm a grown adult.
No, you're not. Go in the trash.
I'm
I'll
a
leave you
grown
alone.
adult.
I'll leave you alone.
I'll go in the trash. I'll go.
Go in there.
Can you let go of me first?
Yeah. You need help?
Yes.
Okay. There you go. Fantastic. Stay in there all night. Stay in there. If I see you out of there.
It's outside.
Stay in.
Can you at least put her feet up here?
Sure, yes. Dude, put your feet. There you go. Oh, there's... Never mind.
Wait, since you don't like Limp Bizkit, you at least like Are you ready to get out? Here.
There's a trash can right here, so you're good.
Wait, do you at least like Deftones?
That's alright. That's alright.
Do you know Kane Brown?
Oh, you got a tear. Let me get it.
Stop!
I'll get your tear.
I said stop!
I'll get it. I'll get it for
sorry.
you. It's okay. I just want to dry
You
your.
can
I'll
eat it. I
dry
don't care anymore.
your. You did good. You did good.
She got in the trash.
Ooh, there's nowhere to go. Hey, buddy. Hey. Hey, what's going on?
He doesn't like puke. You want to do it again?
Eat that. You have to eat that. It's
Gotta
good for
eat
you.
it.
Yeah. Oh, you better keep that mouth open.
Those are so tiny. That's a good one. Okay. That's hot.
Do a picture.
Yes. Yeah, I have a picture with you because you're the best costume.
Thank you.